Traders and investors are getting ready for that jobs report coming out on Friday. Let's bring in Joe Tigay of Equity Armor Investments. How critical, Joe, is that number to the market?
I think it's going to matter a lot. The market's kind of been range bound, and we knew this number has been coming. And people have been talking about earnings and the valuation and how critical that is. And the market's going to move on these companies' earnings. But really, if you go back this year, we've been moving on economic data. Like the market makers and the traders have been getting ahead of earnings, saying, what is the economy doing? That's going to drive my valuations on these companies. Remember, this whole sell-off, this whole bear market's been about valuations coming down as the economy's cooled off. If the economy does go into a recession or is cooling off further, I think there's further downside in valuations.
What else should investors be watching in this market, Joe?
Yeah, I mean, interest rates are key. They're going to be moving on the jobs number 2. People have been talking about how lower interest rates are good for stocks, but the flip side of that is interest rates might be lower because of the economy slowing down, and that won't be good for stocks unless inflation comes down faster than people think.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.